And today's video comes to you from the city of Granada, where we've had just a little bit of flooding. If I turn around this way, you can see upstream the river is absolutely chucking it down at the moment. But that's not why we're here. Today is officially 2 weeks into my training program for the Granada half marathon, and what I can say is training is going really well at the moment. When I started the training program, I was thinking of, seeing that Granada half marathon is so hilly, potentially a 2 hours 30 minutes, 2 hours 50 minute target time for the half marathon, and an optimistic 2 hours 30. After just 2 weeks on my half marathon training program, which by the way I'm getting AI to write for me and update for me on a weekly basis based on training data that I'm collecting while training, based on data feedback, the training program is already telling me that 2 hours 50 is basically already in the bag, and 2 hours 40 is extremely realistic, and that's after 2 weeks of the training program. So if after just 2 weeks of the training program, by the way, look how muddy this is behind me over here. If just 2 weeks into the training program, 2 hours 40 is showing as incredibly realistic based on the pace that I can hold at a heart rate of 104, then the pace that I can hold at a heart rate for 104 for 90 minutes, then 2 hours 30 isn't that much of a stretch. And bearing in mind that this will be the first time I'll be lacing my shoes for a half marathon since before COVID, since 2019. And if I can hit 2:30 after starting hormone therapy, then I'll be faster on hormones than I ever was before hormones. I'll be faster at the age of 56 than what I was at the age of 49. So all of that bodes well. Anyway, I've just received my training program from my AI coach, and we'll be stepping things up with mobility work being included for the first time. So that's my update on the training front. Granada half marathon definitely going to be, if I can say injury free, that will definitely be my first big race of the year, lacing up my shoes. Possibly between now and then there might be a couple of other shorter races here in the city of Granada, maybe a couple of 10Ks that I can lace up for as well, but we'll have to wait and see. Let me know how your 2026 training goals, event goals are progressing, and let's keep each other motivated. Till next time, stay safe, stay hydrated, bye.